Isn't it funny to think that all this started with an idea and a small amount of paint? But without you, our customers, and my amazing community of stockists, none of this would be possible. Here at our Oxford factory, we're still a family-run business, but now we make thousands of tins per day, and we send them all over the world to our network of independent stockist stores. It's so important for us at Annie Sloan to be able to connect with you, our customers, via our stockists. We empower our stockists to answer any queries that you may have about our products. I'm so proud of the connections that we've made with customers over the years, and I know it's the same for our stockists in their local communities. Through our brilliant worldwide family of stockists, we're available wherever you are. We support local and we'd love you to do the same. Isn't that right, everyone?
Support local, yeah! Support local! Support the local!
دعموا الحرف الوطنية.
Support local.
Handla lokal! Handla lokal! Jag kommer inte ihåg nu. Slagläsning. Handla lokal. Küçük işletmeleri destekleyin.
Support local.